Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to investigate the dependence of the acceleration on the force. In this simulation, there's a train. The forces acting on this train are the weight, which is downwards, due to its mass, the normal reaction of support, which is upwards, the forward driving force, and the friction, which is backwards. We will neglect the friction at the moment. Notice that the driving force, the mass, and the initial acceleration are set to 1. Now we will click play. The train accelerates until it falls off the rails. Now I will reset the simulation. And we will set the driving force to 2. And we'll click play again. Notice that the initial acceleration increases to 2. The train also fell off the rails. Now I will reset the animation and set the driving force to 4. And we'll click play one more time. Notice that the initial acceleration becomes 4, and the train also fell off the rails. How is the acceleration related to the driving force? Well, as you noticed, when we increased the driving force from 1 to 4, the acceleration also increased from 1 to 4. So the acceleration is directly proportional to the driving force. And what happened to the train when there is no frictional force? Well, the train continued to accelerate until it fell off the rails. Now we will include friction. And let's check what will happen to the train. So, what happens when there is a frictional force? So, as we noticed, the train reached a high speed when the frictional forces balanced the driving force. Thanks for watching.